Hi my friends, and this afternoon I'm going to teach you how to make the best and the most flavored rotisserie chicken with beer. That is the secret of this delicious dish. Hi my friends, and are you ready to learn? Because I'm going to teach you how to cook the best rotisserie chicken ever. So here I have this huge chicken that I washed originally, but now I have here in water with vinegar, accent seasoning, and I'm gonna let it sit while I prepare I have Worcestershire sauce, vinegar, olive, ajinomoto, red pepper. On this side I have rosemary, oregano, paprika, and hot chili. And this is a panca yellow chili sauce from Peru. Onions, all kinds of peppers, a little bit of cilantro, scallions, a fourth of a tomato. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend all these ingredients in the blender. And of course, our secret, the favorite, the first is our garlic that I like to smash myself with some salt. The amount of salt that you put in the garlic, it should be sufficient to cover the garlic so that it's smashed smoothly. And one of the secret ingredients, beer. Oh, I'm missing one that I love, the sour orange. We can't miss this sour orange. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to add the onions. Each ingredient that I have with this sour orange because this sour onion, the sour orange gives it such a taste. Some pepper, salt, and some beer. Just a little, because we're going to use the rest for later. Blend it. Okay, now I add my ajinomoto, my red pepper, some of the olives, and I'm going to use some for later. And last but not least, some of the garlic, which I'm going to leave some to also put inside the skin of. Voila! Now I smash my garlic. I turn my chicken over here because now I'm going to drain it. And here is our chicken. Now I have my seasoning that I'm going to pour. Garlic. Here's the sour orange. Look at this. A little bit of sour orange that I have left. I'm going to Ellie's kitchen. So here's the chicken, and one trick is that we have to get inside the skin. That is the secret to having a excellent rotisserie. See how the hand goes? All over, all over, all over, all over. In the back, we open it up, and we're going to insert our seasoning in it. What we do is we mix this, make like a paste. With the beer. With the paprika, the oregano. Oh, look at this. And our smashed garlic. We have over here. Ooh la la. Delicioso. Little by little. Seasoning our chicken all over. Inside. Has a little hole over here. So we go all over the legs. Get this bird well seasoned with all these delicious flavors. Make sure you get into every space of this bird. Don't leave one. I have this side, now I go to the other side. This is a very fresh bird, so I'm gonna grab this. Now I'm going to pour some of this delicious seasoning that we blended. If you could only smell this, oh my God. Go all over it. Now what's gonna happen with this bird is that we're going to leave it overnight in this marinade. And tomorrow, we're going to put it in the rotisserie. And then tomorrow we will put it in the rotisserie. I also, look at this trick that I learned, to put half of an onion inside the bird. So this baby is all inside his bag. I put it in the fridge and I'm gonna put, yes, a lot of the seasoning in. See you tomorrow. Hi my friends, and now after this bird was marinated for 24 hours, I'm going to get more of that marinade inside deep. Remember, we seasoned it last night with that wonderful seasoning, garlic, paprika, pepper, chili, panca, ajinomoto. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the rotisserie and in the power air fryer rotisserie. So it's going to be delicious, and I'll show you the final product later. Friends, and here's our delicious pollo a la brasa rotisserie chicken with help of my producer, my dear Louis. I was able to put this bird inside that rotisserie. And now turn it on. Close it. Press it. And forget it. So let's see how it turns out. It's gonna be delicious. I'll show you the final product. Remember, you could also put this with a can of beer inside. You could put it in the oven, and I'll show you that later. You put the beer inside the bird, and in a regular pan, you put it in your conventional oven. It was 2 hours in the power air fryer and rotisserie, 2 hours to have this final product. Now I'm going to unmount it, and I'll show you how it serves in the plate. Stay tuned. And here's our rotisserie chicken. Very delicious. Look at this meat. Look at the texture, the softness, and the moist. Heavenly delicious. Thank you for cooking with Millie. Please subscribe, hit the bell so you could get all the delicious recipes.